off the G5 jet. I'm on my way to a brand new kit.
Welcome back to eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. It's a pleasure to have you joining us today. We have another special case review. That is correct. This time it's for the Pixel 8 Pro, and it is the Crave case collection, the Crave dual guard for the Pixel 8 Pro. We have two colors here for us. Crave sent these over for free in exchange for a fair and honest review, and that's what we're gonna do. So they sent over these two awesome cases. You can get them in the light there, nice navy blue. And what do they call this? I just had it on the screen. Is it a let's see, so pardon me, blush, couldn't remember, blush and navy blue. So very nice cases. I have a top-down view that we will take a good look at. So let me go ahead and switch these screen views. There we go. Got a nice new top-down view. So many of you might not know, but I've purchased Crave cases on my own, right? Way before we were approached by Crave. I've purchased these, I think, going back to I've had every Pixel ever made, every Nexus ever made. I think I started buying these with the Pixel 2, if I remember. I had the 2 and 2 XL, and these stood out from all the other cases. I purchased a few and absolutely loved them. So when they approached us for the Pixel 8 Pro, I said, hell yeah, I'll do this. I don't accept many sponsorship stuff, so definitely wanted to review these. So looking at it from the top down, these are very special in my mind and not really duplicated with other case manufacturers. Let me tell you why. This is a dual layer case, right? However, it's a thin dual layer. Typically, when you see a dual layer case, they're very bulky, very heavy, and I don't like that. I'm just being completely honest with you. I'm not a big fan of big, bulky cases. This gives you the perfect balance between protection in dual layer, but also a thin case to where it doesn't feel like you have a dual layer case. Now, let me expand this a little bit and I'll show you why. So with these Crave cases, let's get in. Here's the boxes they come in, right? Nice, easy, plain and simple. I'll show you where to get these here in just a second. They're strong, they're reliable, and they are protective. Can't beat that, right? So Crave, they power and protect your devices. They design these products with our core SRP commitment, and an unbeatable warranty. Strong, reliable, and protective. Ultra slim design, shock absorbent, precise cutouts, and premium quality. I could not agree more. Let's put that to the side here. Now look at these cases. So dual layer case, right? So what is a dual layer? Dual layer, well, it means there's two layers. Now that provides optimal drop protection. Won't make this too drawn out, but look, what gives a dual layer optimal protection? And this is a true dual layer. Like, you can actually take this thing apart, right? So on the inside, you have a TPU, kind of a bendable, squishy silicone feel, right? That's good for shock absorption. So when you drop the device, it's like an airbag, right? It basically absorbs the shock from the drop, right? So you have this nice squishy inside. On the outside, you have a hard polycarbonate backing, not that flexible, very stiff, very rigid, which is a good thing. You want the two opposites. You want soft and squishy for the shock absorption. You want nice, rigid, and firm stiffness for the anti-flexing. When you drop your device, that's what cracks the screen. Obviously, the drop is the ultimate thing that cracks your screen, but the bending of the glass is what cracks it. So you want the squishy to absorb the impact, You want the nice rigid firmness of this outer shell to prevent it from flexing. Because what happens if you have just a flat plain glass, right here? If you just have a plane of glass right here and you bend it, it's going to snap, right? Well, this outside shell protects it so it doesn't do that, right? So this is an actual true dual layer, and you can tell it's not that thick, right? Same thing with this navy blue one. I love this color. It goes really, really good. Whoops, sorry. It goes really, really good with this blue pixel. So same thing. Black inside shell, hard, stiff outside, right? Now let's do the cutouts. So you have nice cutouts there, very precise as they mentioned for your power, and then your speaker and mic down at the bottom. And then you have the volume down rocker here, volume up rocker, and the power button up top. You have the precise cutout for the microphone up top. And this side, nice and flush. Now, it's not so flush to where it's going to be slippery, because look, this outside... Hear that? Nice and grippy. You are not going to... it's not going to get slippery in your hand. It's just flat out. It's not going to get slow. I was trying to think of a good adjective, a good word to describe it. It's just not going to get slippery, right? Basically what it comes down to. But it goes all the way around. So this nice felt grip you have there, look, goes all the way around. Both sides at the very bottom. So nice and grippy, right? Now look, you see the inside, you see that design? Here's another fine piece of engineering that I want you to pay attention to when you go purchase cases. Not many other case manufacturers, and I'm glad that Crave, it tells you they're paying attention and that they care. They go the extra mile. They don't have to make this design. Now, when you look at the inside of a case, it's boring, right? This is why we at eSIM Studios, we do the very best case reviews. You're not going to find this anywhere else. We actually use these cases before we do the reviews. But here's another tidbit of information I want you to remember moving forward. This is not just for design. It looks cool, right? Like, oh, wow, that's cool. But in actuality, it serves a purpose, a major purpose. Heat dissipation. Yes, heat dissipation. So it not only looks cool, as I've mentioned a couple times, but it's actually little channels, right? So now I know right now it's not that hot outside, depending on where you're at in the country, but we're moving into the summer months. I guarantee you're going to want this case with these heat channels in there, because when you do have it on your phone, any case, not just Crave, any case you put on your phone, it serves as a insulator, right? It's wrapped around your phone. It's like putting a jacket on your body, except these have heat channels in here that dissipate the heat. See, it has them going to the outside, going down to the bottom to release towards the bottom. So it actually keeps your device relatively cool. Look, it's not going to drop it like 10 degrees, but it could be the difference between your device overheating and not overheating, right? So this could serve a very, very important purpose for you and your device, especially moving into the summer months. So I'm down here in South Texas, so it gets over, I think last year we had 90 days straight of over 100-degree weather. No, it was over 100 days straight of over 100-degree weather. It was absolutely insane. So you're going to want something like this, trust me. Let's go ahead and put it on. Now look, another good thing about this is that it's so thin, but it's a dual layer, right? Mention that. Well, look, if you're like, well, I guess there's not many people like me. I use a thin case inside the home office, and then when I leave the house or the home, or the office, I put on a bigger, sturdier dual layer case, right? With this case, it is dual layer, so it gives you enough protection to leave the house, drop protection, right? They provide that with this case, but it's also thin enough to where you don't have to change cases coming back inside. You can keep this on 24/7. Inside, it's nice and thin for inside use, and they give you enough protection to provide for you when you leave the home and or office. So it goes on nice and easy. Snap it on just like that. Wow, look at that. Look at that camera protection. got plenty of room. Look how much lift there. Look how much lift there is up and over that camera hump right there. So that provides optimal protection. See how much lift there is up and over that camera bar? Definitely not going to get any scratches on the back of your phone if you put it on a flat surface. Camera bar is going to be protected, right? Because that is a problem with some Pixel users that don't use cases or that use very, very thin cases. You still get your camera bar scratched. With this Crave case, don't have to worry about that, right? So let's look at the cutouts, and we'll go to the screen protection. So nice precise cutouts, nice big cutouts. So any power cord you have will definitely work with this. No blockage there on your microphone or your speaker at the bottom. You got the power, volume up, volume down. And then look at that. Nice precise cutout there for your top microphone. And obviously this side is flush. But let's look at the screen now. This does have a screen protector. And look, I got a smudge there. But look, this does not impede or lift up onto the screen protector, right? Look how much room they give you. Look how much room they give you. So that'll basically work with any screen protector that you have. If I can get it to focus. All the way around, plenty of room. Now let's look at the, sorry about those smudges. Now let's look at the protection. Now again, this does have a screen protector, but look how much it still comes up and over that screen protector. So if you do not have a screen protector, definitely going to want a Crave case, because it'll provide even more lift up and over your screen, which is good. And look, it goes 360 degrees. Look at that lip all the way around on this on either side, and then on the top and the bottom. Look at this. See that all the way around? There, your screen is not going to touch if you put your phone face down. Although I know a lot of people don't. I'm one of the ones that do. Whenever I put my phone down, it's just a habit. I just lay it face down like that, right? So this case will provide screen protection for your device. Nice grippy, feels really good in the hand, looks good too, right? So I really don't have any complaints. It's one of my go-to cases. Again, I've been buying these for years, so I know what good quality they do make. Let's go ahead and put the other one on here, see what it looks like. Nice and firm, nice and snug fit. Wow, that is a nice looking color right there. This goes good on any Pixel. This is my favorite color, navy blue. Just looks really nice, classic look, classic feel. Really good case. I mean, you can't really beat this. Lightweight, durable, thin dual layer. You're not going to find many of these on the market. So I'm telling you, you're going to want a thin dual layer, but just like this, because you can use it inside and outside and not have to change cases. Now, let me show you where you can get these, right? Let's go to, let's see. So you can get them you can get these Crave cases in basically two different spots, right? If you're Amazon shopper, they have them on Amazon, right? Nice and easy ordering system. Get them right to your house. Go to Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So look, check this out. So they not only have this blush color that I have on the Pixel right now. So they got this one. They got the navy one, right? But look at all these other colors they have. They have aqua. They have a berry. They have a black. There's that blush color again. They got a forest green. They have a lilac, right? What a nice color. There's the navy. Nice bold red color. And then they have a gray as well, for those of y'all that like gray. So I'll put a link in the description for the Amazon. But you can also get them on cravedirect.com, and I'll also link that in the video description below. cravedirect.com, Pixel 8 Pro case, the dual guard, right? So all the colors, same as on Amazon, and they have them here on their home website, cravedirect.com. You can pay with credit, debit, and or with PayPal, which is a nice option to have, right? And they also have more payment options. So very nice. Look at it real quick. Check this out. Look at all these cases they have phones for. Oh yeah, Lord have mercy. Check this out. I'm sorry. Look at this. I have all these colors right here. You can buy it with PayPal. Nice option, as I mentioned. Other payment options. All the color options that they do on Amazon over at cravedirect.com. But check this out. Look at all these cases. Look at all these devices they have cases for. iPhone, basically every iPhone made, you can get this same design, the same case, but for iPhone. All the Samsung Galaxies, basically, they have, and all the Pixels. Basically got all the mobile phone, majority, right? Probably 90% of mobile users, they got covered, right? So basically whatever device you have, they got you covered. Check out the links below. I'll have both cravedirect.com links and Amazon links to these in the description box below. And if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always hit me up in the comments. I check them every day, and I'm always happy to answer any questions y'all have. So please shoot me any questions, concerns, anything like that. Please let me know, and I will get right to you. I will answer them right away. So my name is Taylor Bell for eSIM Studios. This was another successful case review, the Crave Dual Guard case review for the Pixel 8 Pro. And as always, don't forget, if you want to talk technology every single day, we do a live stream every afternoon right here on the eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Check us out. Talk Tech Live. Peace.